Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Today, if you want to find out how to quit your 9-to-5 job, start a business, you're in the right spot. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you get all of my notifications on a weekly basis, and share and like. And I do thank you for supporting me and my channel. If you're interested in quitting that 9-to-5 job, or maybe you got a hobby that you want to turn into a business, we're here to help. We are here to help. We will give you the training, and we're going to give you your own advisor to walk you through everything to make sure you succeed. With this, the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure to get that mindset straight, because you got to go from being an employee to an employer. And you need to make sure you cut all your distractions out. You're going to have all these people saying, oh, you can't do that, you can't do this, but forget all them. You can do it. We're here to help. We're going to make sure, and I mean make sure, you succeed. But you got to be willing to put in a little work, go through the training, and listen to your advisor, because he's going to point you in the right direction. He's going to keep you on the straight and narrow, and we're going to make sure that your business is booming. Like I said, we're going to teach you affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's all about promoting other people's products. You don't have to worry about shipping, customer service, and worrying about keeping up with products. You can promote anything from anywhere. You can do it from Amazon, Walmart, Target, doesn't matter. Most businesses these days, especially if they're big, they're going to have affiliate programs. You can promote software, products, cameras. It's just endless what you can promote. And you may have something that you're doing on the side that you've been doing, and you want to turn that into a business. Maybe you want to do a Shopify, big commerce store. We can help you with all that. It's not a problem. And if you're worried about, well, how do I do the LLC? How do I do the paperwork? Don't worry about all that. We're going to point you in the right direction. We got people that'll help you with all that. Same thing with your taxes. You may have a tax person, or you may have someone that you know that can do an LLC. But just remember, not all LLCs are the same. You're going to do affiliate marketing. You're going to be doing stuff online, so you want to make sure your LLC coordinates with what your business is. But don't worry, we can point you in the right direction with that. We got you all the way through this. But if you're interested in learning affiliate marketing, getting off that 9-to-5 grind, and if you're tired of worrying about the high cost of everything, you're looking maybe you just want to dabble in it, and maybe you just want to see how, what it's all about and make a few extra $100, we can help you with that too. We can get you started. Then you can see it, then realize, hey, I think I want to do this full time. Because the goal of doing this is, let's just say this time next year, this turns into passive income. You can quit your 9-to-5 job, and you're making money while you sleep. That's everybody's goal, is to wake up in the morning, check their email, and see, congratulations, you earned a commission. And you're going to put the same amount of work that you do for a $7 product, that you do for a $20 product, and that you do for a $1,000 product. Some people call these high tickets. Just remember, you're going to do the same amount of work for a $20, $7, or $1,000. But which one would you rather have a commission on? $1,000, because you're going to make more off of it. So keep that in mind. You want to concentrate on the high ticket stuff in order to make the quickest money. So, because you're going, like I said, you're going to put the same amount of time, same amount of work, that you do for a $7 product, $20 product, or a $1,000 product. Process is the same. It's just how much commission you're going to get from those products that equals up. If you want, say, $3,000 a month or $5,000 a month, or you want to get that $10,000 mark, well then you got to figure out how many sales you're going to need in order to do that. But stick with the high ticket stuff, because it's the same amount of work for that one than it is for a smaller sale. So when you start thinking about it, keep that in mind. The other thing is that doesn't matter what your niche is, we can help you. Just keep that in mind. Whatever you want to sell, whatever, maybe you're doing something now, or maybe you're already into affiliate marketing and you're struggling. Even if you're struggling, we can help you. Don't worry. We can help you. We're not going to throw you out there and say, hey, here it is. Here's the information. Read it. Go try it. This and by the way, this ain't a cut and paste system. We're going to teach you the right way from A to Z. So, we're not going to just throw you out there, say, oh, read this, watch these videos, and no. We're going to give you training. You're going to do group training also. You're going to have your own advisor, and you can also reach out to different people in your group to say, hey, how do you do this? And if they can't help you or they can't get you squared away, well, then your advisor will. So, and the person who's doing the training. So you're going to have multiple sources to go to. But just keep in mind, if any of this sounds like something you're interested in, and if you're ready to get off that 9-to-5 grind, and that job is just killing you, that maybe you're also worried about your financial future. Maybe you don't have a 401k, but you're ready, but you're worried to death about retirement. Maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, when you're looking, 20 years from now, you're thinking, I'll never be able to retire. This is a way to do it. Affiliate marketing. You can do it. And just remember, you can do this anywhere. You can be sitting on a beach. As long as you got a computer or a tablet or in a good internet connection, you can do this. So just keep that in mind too. You can check. If you want to go on vacation, you ain't got to worry about it. You can just take your laptop, spend about an hour, check everything out, make sure everything's running smooth. Then that's it. Then go back and enjoy the family, because that's what it's all about. It's getting off the grind, spending more time with your family and your kids. So if any of this sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Depends on where you're watching this. And the bell icon, share and like. And if you're interested in it, go down and hit the link in the description, and we can get started today. We still have open seats, so come on and join us. We're more than happy to get you straightened out or get you started. Depends on what you want to do. Just keep us in mind. Just remember, success loves speed. And if you're interested, just click the first link in the description, and let's do this.